The mineral-rich Jorda region in Keonjhar district has a special place in Odisha's industrial map. Along with extraction of minerals and other mining activities in Jorda region, the mining industrial journey got a boost when Tata Steel established its ferroalloys plant here in 1958. And gradually, the social and economic scenario the area changed, bringing prosperity to the region. Hundreds of people got employment in the plant, in the mines, with contractors providing various services here. Apart from that, from contractors to contractual laborers and from suppliers to emergency service providers, many people got opportunities to earn their livelihood in the Jorda region. Mushrooming of travel agencies, ancillary and small industrial units in the locality also provided livelihood to thousands of families. Tata Steel's presence also played a key role in the Jorda town getting a municipality status. Quality healthcare services and better education facilities through Tata Steel's corporate social responsibility activities have benefited people of Jorda and its adjoining areas. Tata Steel's hospital in Jorda provides modern healthcare center to the locality. Health camps are organized at regular intervals in the periphery villages of Jorda Belt under direct supervision of the doctors of Tata Steel's Jorda Hospital. Providing pure drinking water is another major challenge in the Jorda industrial hub. Tata Steel is setting up a major drinking water project in the Jorda municipality. More than 40 women self-help groups have been functioning in the Jorda region with direct support and guidance of Tata Steel Rural Development Society. These women have become self-reliant by taking up mushroom farming, animal husbandry and food processing activities. Timely steps have also been taken for agriculture development in Jorda and its adjoining areas. Farmers have been motivated and trained for growing more productive variety of paddy. Apart from providing fish sheets and financial assistance, awareness drives have also been taken up for fish farming in the locality. For all-round development of the locality, Tata Steel has played a key role in setting up 3 major irrigation projects in the region. More than 250 acres of farmlands have been irrigated with the help of these projects. Tata Steel has also played a key role in promoting sports in the region. Besides, several students have got the opportunity to take technical training at the NTTF Gopalpur in Ganjam district. Several training camps are also organized in the locality to motivate students to join the defense services. Tata Steel has been extending its support and cooperation in construction of roads, bridges, drains, ponds, wells, check dams, community centers, schools, Anganwadi centers and clubhouses in the Jorda region and its periphery villages. The development and prosperity of the Jorda region owes a lot to the exemplary CSR initiatives of the Tata Steel.